All right, so um, we're doing a. I looked all around to try to see some that. Sorry, hold on. Some that were, whatever they were doing. I'm into the reversals. Um, on the USD JPY, I'm in the reversal on the buy, 148 pips. So Euro AUD, my lip still hurts. Um, can't stay away from spicy foods. It's canker sauce. So move that. Excuse me. All right, so we had the strong breakout here. The Euro AUD was like what? What was it like 50-50? Going to 70-30. I don't think that this is going to continue. I think this thing is going to end up going down. It had broken past. Let me see if I can zoom. You know what? I don't have to do that. I can do this. It's already broken past. It went past the first. It went past this the fast line. I think it's the fast line. Shuku span. I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. Uh, Pretty strong there, right? And this is the 4 hours, so it's already gone. Oh, not that far, really. Not that far. I thought it would be more like 200 something. Uh, go into here. I decided to put a sell stop down here below that line to try to catch a 200 pip drop that may happen in here. Not in the trade, but if it goes down a little bit more, another 13 pips or so, I'll pick that up, try to catch that at the top. Um, it's right below the belly button of this one, which is resistance here. There's one there and one there, so one up here. So it fell out of that one. Is there anything else? But if it stays above this line, I do expect it to continue here. Um, and if it really goes further into, and I'll buy it. If it goes further into the if this it oh sorry if the sellers the buy if the buyers decrease, if it goes to the extreme side, of course I'll be in the buy. I'm just not too sure about it now. So it's crossed over. Okay, but it's slowed down. So it started to just, and then it's kind of leveling out. So, and your AUD changes direction a lot. So I think this is a point where it will change direction. I got the market bar there, but besides that, I just I believe this is going to continue a little sideways and head down. So we have another. We'll wait till next week. It's going to take from here to here, so another 2 days, and it's already into Friday morning, 2 a.m. Friday morning, and this may continue down after that. So that's going to be my prediction on Euro AUD. Catch 200 pips south. All right, peace out. I'm really tired. Oh my gosh, I gotta go later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, please. This helps me reach, help get help to more traders out there, and give you just some more analysis to what you're already doing. Okay. Um, all I ask is just to like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep doing the videos, the signals, the analyzing different pairs and stuff like that. Send me a pair request. I'll analyze it for you. Just make sure you hit those buttons for me. All right. Peace.